11 by 2. So here we divide 11 by 2 in a long division method. So here this 11 we have to choose the lowest number less than 11 which is exactly divisible by 2. So the number here is 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So when we keep here decimal, so we get here 0. So now 10 is exactly divisible at 5. So 2 times 5 means 10. So on subtracting we get 0. So 11 divided by 2 we get 5.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.